Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by today and viewing my video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys a easy, fun, successful Feng Shui cure that I learned, which includes you needing 8 river rocks, and you're gonna actually have them painted or spray painted golden. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna stack them into a mountain and place them facing your rear front door on the right side. Yes, on the right side. So I'm gonna be doing this with you. I actually have done this a few months back, and I definitely seen the wealth that it had brought into my life. And it's very fun and easy, and it's a cute little decor that you could place at your front door as well. So here's my story. I was a little bit like struggling a little bit with finances, and so I started doing some research on how to increase wealth with law of attraction, crystals, and I stumbled up on Feng Shui, and this article tells you a quick fix cure. So I said, why not? I have the time, why not, try it? So I went to my local Home Depot because I didn't live near a river, and I bought myself 8. Well, they actually came in like a pack, so I took 8 river rocks, and I went and got myself a golden spray paint, and I spray painted these rocks. Here is a sample of it right now. So I spray painted it gold, and I stacked them into a mountain, and then I placed them on the right side of my door when I'm coming inside, so it'll be on your right side of your door. So I did that, and guys, within a week, I'm telling you, within a week, I started to see the increase in money flowing into my bank account. My job gave me a raise. Yes, my job gave me a raise out of nowhere. I was so happy. I started winning all my scratch off tickets. It's not like huge lump sums, but like it was like $50, and I was like, ooh, and that was like a $5 ticket, so I was quite happy. So money definitely came in. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's very easy and simple. So here we go. All right, so here are all my rocks. These are my 8 gold spray painted rocks. So on the website it said to stack them, so I'm gonna stack them, and you can stack these any way you like. It's so hard stacking them with the camera like this, but I wanted to do it with you guys, so let me try to do it with you guys. If not, I'm gonna turn the camera off and stack them a different way. I'm gonna just do that. Let me turn the camera off and then stack them, because I'm like looking through my lens and it's, let's see, maybe I could do it. Hold on. Oop, nope. So it said to stack them in a mountain. So guys, this is not, you guys are probably laughing at me. So I'm going to turn this off and actually focus on stacking these rocks for you guys. Okay guys, so I actually have them stacked. It wasn't super easy because, I'm kind of a klutz, but I managed to get them all organized. And like I said, it's so cute. It looks like, you stack them in a little mountain, and so that's what you're gonna be doing. And then you are gonna place them on the right side of your front door when you're facing inward. So say if you're walking home and you stop at your front door, place them on the right side facing your door. So this is how they look. Isn't it really cute? It looks really gardeny. I love it. So give it a try, guys, and let me know what you think. Hopefully you guys will see that increase of wealth flowing into your account with this little cure. So tell me what you guys think. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this fun little cure helps. I will be posting weekly little Feng Shui or crystal stuff to increase your wealth and abundance each week. Hopefully I'm trying to stay a little bit more consistent, and I want to be able to spread abundance and joy to everyone. So whatever I know, I will definitely share with you guys. But this one trick that I just showed you guys, I know for a fact it worked. It worked for me, and I love it. And another quick note as well, with like every couple of months, just try to take your rocks apart and wash them, just to circulate the energy, because when you place them outside, it could take up dust and all that stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash mine and replace them at the same area again, and I guarantee that flow of money is gonna come right in. Outside feels really, really great, by the way. And I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And if you're a little down, say your affirmations and know that everything will be okay. Divine timing is key. Sometimes you just have to let go, let your hair down, and just relax. Everything will work out, guys. Everything will work out. You have a blessed day, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little dingly ding ding thingy, the bell button, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.